Student, in today's lecture, we are going to see half adder. In the previous lecture, you know what is adder, half adder, full adder. But now, in here, we are going to see half subtractor. Now, it is the combinational circuit which will use for subtract two bits. So, number of inputs are two. It will do the subtract, that is be in the form of difference. It will be treated as logic. It will be treated as alphabet D. So difference is 0, and what just like as carry is generated, so for difference borrow is generated, it will be represented by B. So two input A and B and two output D and B. So it is the combinational circuit which having two input and two output in the form of A and B and D and B respectively. So this is the block diagram for half subtractor. Now truth table, it having two inputs A B and two outputs, that is the difference A minus B and borrow, which will be generated as it will be considered. So inputs are possibilities 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. It will be same as half adder, but the difference will be treated over here 0 minus 0. It will be same as mathematical difference, that is the 0, no borrow is generated. 0 minus 1, this is the different case only for 0 minus 1, only when here borrow is generated, that we will see. Then 1 minus 0 answer is 1, difference is 1, no borrow is generated. 1 minus 1 answer is 0, borrow is 0. So this is the different case, that is 0 minus 1. So mathematically if you will calculate it, 0 minus 1, our answer is minus 1. But here we are not doing mathematical subtraction, it is the logical subtraction. So 0 minus 1, difference is 1 and its borrow is also 1. So borrow is generated only and only when the inputs are 0 and 1 for different inputs only, 0 and 1. 1 and 0, then will be answer will be 1 with 0 carry. So same here, kmap will be represented for difference D and borrow B. So kmap for difference D, the output is 0 1 1 0. So 0 1 1 0. So do the grouping. For grouping, no sharing elements will be generated over here, so single group is formed. So for single 1 1, where we have make group. So for this one, equation is A0 for B bar. So A B bar. For this one, A bar B. So here A bar B. So difference D is equal to A B bar plus A bar B. So this is the logic expression for which gate. Just like as AND gate will be represented for A into B, OR gate will be represented as A plus B. Just like this, A B bar plus A bar B. So XOR is the gate which will be represent this expression. So D is equal to A XOR B. So A XOR B means A XOR B means what? A B bar plus A bar B. So this is the logic expression for difference D. Same we can generate for borrow 0 1 0 0. So for borrow 0 1 0 0. So only one element is 1. So for this one, expression will be like this, for the 0 for A bar and this one for B. So borrow is A bar B. So two expression we are getting. One is D is equal to A XOR B and other one is borrow B is equal to A bar B. So two inputs are required here. From these two inputs, we are able to draw the logic diagram. So A and B. So AB as it is taken here, XOR gate, it will form difference D and A XOR B. But here for borrow, A bar is required. A bar means we have input A, but we have not A bar. So from this A, we can generate A bar. So if we are going to use A, so use one NOT gate, and for this we are treating A bar. So output of NOT gate will be will gives A bar. So here A bar will be generated. Then B is equal to A bar B. So A bar is generated over here and B will be taken as it is. So D is equal to A XOR B and B is equal to A bar B. So two outputs will be generated here. So this is the logic diagram. So question will be asked for 4 marks. Design half subtractor circuit. So important points are block diagram. After that, truth table, two inputs to output. After that, kmap realization for difference and kmap realization for borrow. Two logic expression we are getting. D is equal to A plus XOR B, A XOR B, B is equal to A bar B. Then this logic diagram will be considered for difference D and borrow B. So in this way, the student will be able to design half subtractor like this. Design procedure for half adder and half subtractor is totally same. Block diagram is also near about same. Truth table logic is same. Kmap and logic diagram. So purpose of half adder and purpose of full adder half subtractor is different, but overuse same. So in this way, same method we are going to design half subtractor.